Hello crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you and show to you how to monitor the price of FEGtoken. As you can see here in CoinMarketCap, the price of FEGtoken is 0. And even you search it on CoinGecko, the price there is 0. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm in CoinGecko website and I search FEGtoken, and as you can see, the price is 0. If we are going to type the amount of FEGtoken, there's no value in US dollar. So how can you monitor the price of FEGtoken? Just go to your Android app or App Store and download FEGtrack. Okay, we are now here in my Android Google Play Store. Search FEGtrack. This one. About this app, track your FEGtokens market data, balance, progress, and rewards. Features: live burn, circulating token counter, multiple wallet address, real-time FEG balance to USD value. Okay, so let's download. Okay, I already downloaded it. Open FEGtrack. Wow, look at this part. Tokens burned. You will see here the total tokens that already burned. Okay, and you can also monitor the price. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, 102833. So the price is already pumping, and you can see the volume here and the market capitalization. And if you want to connect your wallet address, the token balance of your wallet address will appear here. And your reward, because we all know that they are giving reward for those who are holding FEGtoken. You will see it here. Okay. And you can check the recent chart here. 7 days. Then the history here, and you can also monitor the Binance Smart Chain price here, because as you can see, the price is in Ethereum, because FEGtoken is under ERC20 network and Binance Smart Chain network. So you can trace also the price in BSC. The price in BSC is different. It's 9067682, but in the Ethereum it's 80102869. Okay, 80 in Ethereum, 90 in Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so if you want to add your wallet, just click this button, plus sign, and get the wallet address. You can scan or just copy and paste the address here. So I'll show you how. I'm going to get my address in my Trust Wallet app. Okay, gonna get this smart chain wallet address, copy, then paste it here, then type the wallet name, Trust Wallet BEC. Okay, then click this button, check button. Okay, see, Trust Wallet address, and automatically the total balance of your FEGtoken will appear here. So I have 622,539 FEGtoken balance. That's the remaining balance because I already sold my FEGtoken, and I'm just going to buy back when the price go down. I sold it when the price already pumped, so I'm doing a scalping trade. Tokens burn, and you see here the chart. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, click like and click subscribe and click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.